everyone and welcome. So firstly, I just want to give out a big apology to my fellow collaborators. I am late with this video. This video should have been up on the 25th. It is the Christmas collaboration. I have resisted not to watch your videos yet. I'm going to go and watch them in a minute when I finish recording this one. Now, I did actually prepare and make everything in the week, but I just didn't record. My kiddies have been really sick, and I kind of feel like I've not been mum, but you know, a warden on a hospital ward at the minute. But they're all right, they're fine. It's just cold, it's a really bad cold, but we've got COVID going around still in the schools, and we've got scarlet fever making an appearance as well. So I'm just really pleased that it is just a really bad cold and they're doing fine, and I can get a little bit of a break and do some videos and catch up. So anyway, let me show you what I have made. It's going to be a short video. I just made some Christmas cracker boxes. I have done a tutorial on these cracker boxes before, so I will link that video down below. It was part of the 3-box challenge. I think that was last year. So I will link that down below. But these are the crackers that I created. So I've made 4. And I actually decorated them using some embellishments that I made last year for Christmas in July. So I just made so much last year that I'm still going through my stash now. So I've actually got some of this gorgeous doodlebug paper. So these two here are using the speciality papers. So it's all nice and glittery and gorgeous. These aren't like traditional pull crackers. These are like treat box style, so you can put some chocolate bars in there. They're really nice and sturdy, with just a bit of basic cardstock, and really quick to make as well. So I think they look really nice as decoration, or like I say, as a treat box. You can undo the side. I've done that one a bit too tight, but if you undid that, you could access what's in the middle as well. I won't put anything too small in them because obviously it will drop out. But yeah, so this one has a shaker on it. This is the ice skate shaker that I made. I used the Winter Wonderland collection from Doodlebug, and then other bits in my stash like these gorgeous little gnome dies, some flowers and bows and things. So yeah, these are all embellishments that I made last year for Christmas in July. So you may have seen these already. They've just been in my stash, ready to use for projects. And I think I'm just loving this collection so much that I think I'll probably use it again this year. But I'll have to transfer. I've still got so many Christmas stuff now. I need to just, you know, mix and match a little bit. But yeah, these are my Christmas crackers. Like I say, they're not traditional, just decorative. And I will link the tutorial video in the description box for you to check that out, and all the other lovely collaborators in this collaboration. So if you have not seen them already, please do go out and check them out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.